morning friends, welcome to the 10th standard class here. Today in our today's class, let us study the sum of numbers. The sum of numbers is denoted by Sn. S here denotes sum, n means numbers, Sn. So in our previous class we studied An. An means nth term. Nth term is An is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. By following this formula we solve the sum of the exercises. Today in our today's class let us start the study of sum of the numbers. Sum of the numbers is studied or calculated by following three formulas. Number one, sigma n is equals to n into bracket n plus 1 upon 2. Sigma n are the sum of the numbers, or the Sn. Sigma n are the Sn. Number two, once again sigma n are the sum of the n. Sn is equals to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Number 3, Sn is equals to n upon 2 into bracket a plus an, or n upon 2 into bracket a plus L. These three formulas are different here because this one is used to calculate the sum of the natural numbers. So sum of the given, if natural numbers are given, we have to follow this formula, n into bracket n plus 1 upon 2, and then sum of the middle terms are given, or the sequence is having the middle terms. So in such a way, this formula is used to calculate the sum n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d bracket complete. And then when the question includes first term and then last term of the sequence, in such a way, n upon 2 into bracket a plus an is your last term, so n upon 2 into bracket a plus l. These three formulas are to be used. Remember these three formulas, then you can understand easily and then solve the sums easily. So let us solve the exercise number 1.3 here. Exercise number 1.3. First main, find the sum of the following AP. Find the sum of the following AP. Number one, they have given 2, 7, 12 dash 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 to 10 terms. So to 10 terms here. Here A is equals to 2, B is equals to 7 minus 2 is equals to 5, and then n is equals to 10 terms. So these three available aspects are to be entered in the formula. Sn is equals to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. So S10, n means here 10. So S10 is equals to 10 upon 2 into bracket 2 into a is here 2 plus n is 10 minus 1 d is here 5. So 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 into bracket 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1 means 9 into 5. So 5 into bracket 4 plus 9 5s are 45. So 5 into bracket 45 plus 4 49. So the product of these two is 5 9s are 45, 4 carries, 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24. 245 is the answer. So the sum of the 2, 7, 12, dash 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 up to the 10 terms are here. A is equals to 2. Here the first term is always A. Common difference is A2 minus A1. So 7 minus 2 is equal to becomes here 5. And then n is here 10 because in the question only they told that up to 10 terms. So n is equals to 10. So A is equal to 2, D is equals to 5, n is equals to 10. So apply these available values in the equation formula. Sn is equals to second formula is used here. So because this first formula is not used because what? Because why? Because these are the not natural numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. These are the natural numbers. Here this formula is not used. So this formula is to be used. So Sn is equals to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S10, substitute the value of n here. S10 is equals to 10 upon 5 into bracket 2 into a means here 2 plus n means here 10 minus 1 into bracket d is 5. So 2 ones are 2 5s are. So 5 is equal 5 into bracket 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1 means 9. 9 into 5. 9 into 5. In the next step 5 into bracket 4 plus 45. So 4 plus 45 means 49. 49 into 5 means 245. I think all of you understood the sum here. So very simple it is. If you know the sequence here, from that sequence find out the available given items here, and then those items are to be, those terms are to be substituted in the available formula, and then simplify the formula, then you can get the answer, final answer. So the sum of the 2, 7, 12 dash 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 up to 10 terms are here is here 245. What is the 10th term here? Not asked here. If the 10th terms they asked, you have to follow this formula, AN formula. So AN formula you have to use. So here 10th term is not asked. So up to 10th terms, up to 10 terms they asked the sum. So 245 becomes here the total sum. Therefore this is the total sum of the numbers. Followed all of you? Okay.